In this class, we will cover calculation view. Actually, I will explain you. First of all, we have uh, covered attribute view. Attribute view was, what was attribute view? It is a set of attributes normally. After that, we covered analytical view. Analytical view means it is a multi-dimensional view like cube. And now we will cover calculation view. Actually, I want to explain you one more thing. What is the meaning of multi-dimensional? What is multi-dimensional? Multi-dimensional means multi-dimensional means multiple dimensions like attribute view and one fact table. Here is calculation view. It is customizable. It is customizable view. Customizable means we can join here, union here. Example, we can join, see, join multiple master tables. Not possible in analytical view. We can join one multi-dimensional, one analytical view.
So in analytical view, we were joining a master table because when you are taking the sales ID, product price and all, so that is a fact table, and other things, product ID, employee ID, these are the master table. So we are joining more than one master table here.
Yes.
So you are saying that not possible in an analytical view.
Yes. It is not possible in analytical view, na? Because in analytical view we cannot add masters. We just add attribute views. I will show you. Suppose here is a your package, I think so. This is your package, and you have created this analytical view. Just 1 minute, it is opening. This is your analytical view. In this view, In this view, suppose you want to add any master
So these attributes are
table,
not the master table, sir.
these are attribute views, not master tables. We have created attribute views using master tables. But
Okay.
if I want to add master table, directly add master table, suppose I'm showing you, suppose this is your schema, these are tables. Suppose you want to add master table right now here. Here you cannot add master tables.
Okay, directly table you mean.
You can add master table here, but it is wrong, na? But it is wrong. We should mention here transaction table. And one more thing, if you add master tables, suppose if you add master table here, suppose here, it's a blank area. The area is blank, empty. Just click, it automatically add into the data foundation section. It means master tables we cannot add here in the start join. We add attributes only. Not possible in analytical view. Attribute only. Okay.
Hmm.
And suppose you want to join analytical view with another analytical view.
Like
Multiple analytical views. If you want to join, so suppose I'm giving you one example scenario. I want to create an calculation view based on using product master and sale transaction table. Okay.
yeah. First of all, I would want to know when the calculation view will be used. As there are four views,
Hmm?
attribute. As there are three views, attribute, analytical, and calculation. When are these used? So attribute is used in order to make analytical. First, a person need to make a attribute. Am I right?
Hmm.
But what about the calculation view? When it is used, what is the major function?
See, see this book. Actually, see this scenario. If you implement this scenario in analytical view, you have to create attribute view firstly,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
because product master you cannot add
Mm-hmm.
in the analytical view.
Yeah.
But in the calculation view, you can add any master table, transaction table, multidimensional view, any
Okay.
type of object you can
You mean
insert.
to say that in calculation view, we don't need to make attributes. Directly we can drag and drop the table.
Hmm.
Is that you mean?
Yes. That, like I'm explaining you, Open Hana Studio. I'm explaining you from the very beginning. Create a create a calculation view. Right click on your package, new calculation view. finish. This is a screen of calculation view. Here you can add anything. You can place here any object. Suppose I want to place product here. It inserts. It is an advantage of calculation view.
So where we need to drop?
Similarly, in, hmm?
Where
Yes,
we need to drag and drop?
this is sale table. Just drag and drop.
Where?
Yes,
Anywhere.
just drag and drop.
So
Yes,
where we need to drop? Anywhere in the box.
yes, yes. In the scenario section,
Okay.
anywhere, here, anywhere, we
Okay.
can drag and drop. So, I will explain you again. See, I erased, remove. Just,
How
it
to
is a
remove, sir?
product table. Just drag and drop.
Okay.
Can you see drag and drop?
Yeah.
Similarly, this is a sale table. I am just dragging and dropping. That's so just drag and drop. Add tables, drag and drop. Example, product and sale table. But when you drop it, na, select the product. But we can't add to output.
Mm-hmm.
Here is uh,
Propagate to
here
input.
is no option add to output. We want to add to output.
Mm-hmm.
Here is no option because we should use uh,
Project.
projection. This
Okay.
is projection. Just click projection and click here. This projection will come
Mm-hmm.
and connect this product with this projection.
Okay.
Now you can use add to output.
Okay.
Now you can see add to output. P name, just right click, add to output. Price, just add to output. Similarly, in the sale table, there is no option add to output. We have to add projection. Just click,
So
it will add
for
here.
all the table we need to
Just
for every table we need to take different projection.
yes,
We
every
can
table in individual projection.
so we cannot take
See,
directly
what is
within one projection.
no, every table actually what is the meaning of projection? I will explain you. Projection means add projection from left panel, left left palette. Actually, projection operator, projection operator, projection is projection operator is a concept of RDBMS. Select command of SQL. Select command is of SQL is based on projection.
Select command
based
begin.
on projection. Projection means select or fetch required data. Select or fetch the required data. It is called projection. That's it. This is projection.
So we are just
So that's why
okay.
hmm,
The user projection is just to create a just to make the data to the output. That is one of the user projection.
yes, yes. Projection means select or fetch the required data. It is the meaning of projection.
But we are not fetching
When
data,
we
yeah,
use
over here.
analytical view, na,
Uh-huh.
hmm, yes. When we use analytical view or attribute view, we
Mm-hmm.
are not using projections because projection is inbuilt, automatically used. But in the calculation view, we should use projection here. Without projection, we cannot select the data.
Okay.
Similarly, when we use a projection, then we can add to output. See, you can see here, add to output. So add projection from the left panel and link with table. Link with table. See, now your question was if you add a projection and you add it's a one table or you want to add multiple tables,
No, no, no.
see,
You
it
didn't
is
get my
not
point, sir.
possible.
What I was saying that when you have taken the
Hmm.
projection one, you can drag and drop the table of product and the sale table in that same projection, or you can.
Hmm.
Is it not possible?
Uh, like
Just drag and drop the sales table in the projection one. Both product and the sales table cannot be in the one projection.
no, no, no. Same because one table means one object, one projection.
Okay.
So no, it is not possible. One table is one projection. Similarly, na, if I want to drag and drop another table, na, see, it is not possible here. See,
Mm-hmm.
it is not possible here. So now, just and we want to join. We want to join. Then just add join. It is join. Just drag and drop and create a link between join. See, it is a output link with input. Output of sale projection becomes input of join.
So you haven't selected the sales into the output, add output. Have you done that?
Hmm?
Have you added the
Sale
sales?
right now. Sale. Yes.
Have you added the sales into output?
Yes. Sale connect with join means sale
No, no,
just
no.
like a input.
What I'm saying, sir, as you have created the projection, why do you have created the projection in order to add the output? The table, the field of
You
the
are right.
product need
You
to
are
be
right.
added in the
Yes.
output. That's
You
the
are
reason
right.
projection is be used. So in the same way you have used for the table sales. table projection 2. So I'm just asking,
Right.
have you added the field of the sales like um, product price and all in the output or not? That's what I'm asking. Have you added that field to the
See,
output?
when you connect, yes, see, in the when I select the projection, na,
Uh-huh.
add all
Yeah, you add.
fields in output.
Yeah, I can see. I'm asking about sales.
When I select, yes, sales, these fields
Okay.
edit,
Uh-huh.
and right now I click on join.
Okay.
So first of all, we should make a join. First of all, we should make a join. Like this PID joins with this PID,
Okay.
and after that, click on the join link. Click on the join link, and we can see here this is a fact table.
Mm-hmm.
Fact table, you can choose right outer
Mm-hmm.
because fact is right hand side
Mm-hmm.
transaction table, and cardinality is 1 is to n.
Mm-hmm.
And okay, just I will mention here, add join from left palette and link with projections. Select join and create link between primary key and foreign key, and create link between join and aggregation. Link between primary key and foreign key and add to output.
Add to out.
So similarly, we we can we just choose add to output, like add to output. Just click on it, add to output. You can click here, add to output, add to output. We choose selected columns.
So why we haven't selected the PID of this
After
one?
that, hmm,
Why you
yes,
haven't
PID
added
because
the projection 1 PID?
actually we have chosen right outer join. Na? Right outer join means all all rows will come from right hand side. So that's why we have option. We choose left side PID or right side PID. Right outer join we choose right side PID because all rows will come, all PIDs will come.
But you haven't selected CID of right hand side.
It is hardly matters. You can choose
No, I'm
anyone,
just asking because you selected
but it will
CID
be good.
and quantity and amount, but not CID. So I was just wondering why not.
Huh. It will be good. Yes, it will be good. If there is a, you should choose ID from fact table. It will be good. You can choose both. It's no problem. You can choose both. You can choose both, or you can choose anyone. If you have the option to choose anyone, then always choose from fact table.
Okay.
Okay?
So after selecting this, it will be shown in the output here in the report.
Yes. Yes, correct. Similarly, it is a join. You should create a link between join and aggregation. Okay?
Hmm.
Select aggregation. It is aggregation, and you should choose add to output. This is a price. You can choose add as aggregated column. See, price is just a measure. Now price is measure. See again, PID add to output. This is a PID. Quantity add as aggregated column. It is a measure. Amount as aggregated column.
Why is it as aggregated? Why not
It is
output, sir? What is the difference in the age as aggregated?
aggregated column measure. If you want to create a measure,
Okay.
see there is two options.
Yeah.
This is for attribute or measure.
Okay. So key figure and the characteristics.
Measure. Yes, characteristics and key figures. Right. This is characteristic like attribute.
Just hold a second, sir.
uh,
Hello. Not follow sir. चाबी मसा सर. Hello. Yeah. Hello.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
So
So we were discussing about the
uh,
when to add output and when to add the aggregated.
attribute and measures.
Oh yeah.
Now just select on semantics. Select semantics. You can select a key and object type. This is a p name. P name you should choose attribute or measure.
So
It
you
is
click on the
attribute.
semantic, yes sir.
Semantics.
You click on semantic and we got this window.
Yes.
Okay.
Again, see this is aggregation. Select aggregation. Select semantics.
Okay. So like aggregation and then semantics. Okay.
And this PID is
Attribute,
attribute.
quantity is a measure.
Then just validate, save and validate, and save and activate. Now you can check preview. Just click on the preview. It is opening. Now click on the raw data. So now you can see it is a successful joining of product and sale. Sale table means quantity amount. It
Okay.
is
So we can
perfectly joined.
change the column. I mean product ID in the first and the product name and the price. Can we reshuffle?
Uh, Column heading. You
Yeah.
want to change column heading?
No, no, all the
Yes.
columns.
You can change all the columns like example.
Example means product name it should be in the second column and the product ID should be in the first column.
Okay. So means order of columns.
Yeah, order of columns.
You want to change. Say you can change these type of orders or column heading names in the final report. It is a preview only. It is
Okay.
not a final report. End user cannot see this report. It is only for you, only for implementer, or modeler, BI modeler. You just create a model and see the preview only. But when we use BO, then I will explain you. You can change the column order, you can change the column names for the final view. So it is successfully added. You can create the charts. Okay. So this is a calculation view. No, it is. This is calculation view, and I will give you one another example. Is it clear for you? Is it clear?
Yeah, so I was having one query that in the last when we were doing the analytical, there must be some link. Yeah, are you getting me, sir? That there should be primary key with the fact tables. Fact tables would have all the primary key. Are you getting me?
Hmm.
But in
Yes.
this, we should have that or not?
It should have. If you want to join, it is a condition of join. If you want to join, there should be a primary key and foreign key.
So
This is
fact.
not a condition of analytical view. This
So
is
you
a
mean to say
condition
that
of
in the
join.
fact table? No, I mean to say that there must be any some matching should be there in the table or not.
In the analytical view, all joins all joins should connect with a fact table.
Yeah, that's what I'm
But
saying.
in the
That
calculation,
okay.
yes.
Go ahead.
But in the calculation view, you can join anything, anywhere, no problem.
So my concern is that suppose I'm having a customer table as well, customer, product, and sales, and I don't have any relations. I mean, any of the table is not having same product ID and all other things. Then can we join the tables?
No, then you can't join because join operator join operator will work if primary key and foreign key exist.
Okay.
But here is no issue. Without fact table in the calculation view, without fact table you can join also. But for the join, primary key and foreign key must be exist. It's a condition of
Suppose in the
join
same
operator,
example we don't have a
not
sales table.
any view. And it is a scenario one. Uh, I will give you some more scenarios. Then idea will be uh, clear. Then idea will be clear. I will give you one more scenario here. Scenario two is scenario two is I want to join one calculation view with customer table. We have created a one calculation view and I want to join this calculation view with customer table. It means I can join calculation views also because we know it is a final output of the view. Okay, it is a final output of the calculation view, but we have not selected customer ID. We should select here customer ID. We should select here customer ID. It means it means here is a customer ID. We can join this calculation view with the customer table. I am creating a new view. See, scenario 2. I want to join calculation view with customer table. Is it okay?
Mhm.
We will join one calculation view with customer table. See, it is very simple. It is very simple. We just close this, close
So
this.
here we do not have to use the command uh, sys repo
No need of any command. We
because
have
in the
option. We can create with the help of command.
no
Yes, we
last
have
time
option. We can create.
when creating an analytical view you're saying that one must
Hmm,
run the sys repo command.
yes, at the first time, it just execute at the very first time.
While
Select
create
grant. It's very first. Yes, and I'm creating new calculation view. My calculation view name is just finish, and here I want to add existing calculation view which created we have created this calculation view and one customer table. This is customer table. This is calculation view and this is customer master table. We want to join it. First of all, there is no add to output option.
when you take a
First of
projection.
all, we should add projection for one object, projection for another object. So we can just link. Now open the calculation view, add to output. Just add to output. Click on projection, just add to output. Now join, create link between join, select join, create a link, this CID, this CID.
Okay.
Just edit, edit join. So uh, where is master table and where is transaction table?
Left side is a transaction table and right side is a master table.
Correct, very good. So we can select left outer and n is to 1.
So every time there is only join type will be left outer, right outer. That's all.
This is left outer because we
Yeah, I
want
understand. So only we are having the
all
left outer and the right outer
values.
join.
Hmm?
When you
Yes,
drag,
pardon.
I mean to say that when you select the join type,
Hmm.
we are having only two options or
Hmm.
both.
Yes.
So when will
There
we
is
uh,
left outer, right outer, and full outer.
so when will we using the full outer?
Full outer means yes, you can choose full outer also, but It is, but it is not recommended.
So that's what I'm saying.
It
I have saw the case of left
slow down.
outer and right outer, but till now we haven't seen the case of the referential inner text join and the full outer. That's the reason I just ask with you.
Yes, you can select, but normally this case will not appear.
In the real
Normally, this
time,
case
it
will
never
not appear.
appears.
Hmm. Because uh, because this case is not appear in the left outer. Yes, yes. But if you want to choose, you can choose it.
Hello, hello, hello.
No problem. And click OK. So it is a join. Add to output. If you want to add, you should choose all output and join this link with aggregation. Same steps. In the aggregation, add to output, add as aggregation column, add as aggregated column, add to output, add as aggregated column, add to output, add to output, add to output. Go to the semantics, select key and object type. This PID is attribute, this CID is attribute. Now it is created successfully. Just save and activate and preview. Raw data. Now we have now we have joined product, customer and sale. Okay. We have created product, customer and sale.
Mm-hmm.
So it was the scenario 2. Now I will explain you. So the idea is clear why we create calculation views. We create calculation views. We can do anything. We can join calculation view with a master table. We can join one calculation view, one analytical view,
Can we see
one
the analytical
master
view
with
on that?
another master. We can do it. Yes, we can do it. Similarly, same thing. Suppose we have a one analytical view. This is analytical view. What you want to join, because here is product, customer and sale.
You can take the analytical view of some
There is
other things.
nothing to join.
You can take some other table like V31,
Hmm. Another table like
V3, V31.
uh,
Other schema you can have some other table here.
another- yes, you can do it. Another schema you can use it, and mm, but which example?
An analytical view and the master table, or how to add the analytical view and the
You can
calculation
do
view.
one. Yes, you can do one thing. here is no here is no store. You can create a store table also, store location table also,
What
or
that
you
mean?
can do union also. You can do union also here. See, there is another table.
V31 below down. Open the V32. You can see in the table. Yeah, V31.
Okay.
You can see the table.
Hmm. Hmm. Customer department employee. Okay. Here are another tables. Customer department, cust employee. Okay. These are another tables, na?
Yeah.
These tables will not join here. These
So
tables
in
will
this
not
we are
join
having some
here.
attributes here. How can we do the case of attribute in the join? One attribute and one table, or one attribute and two master table.
Yes, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it like that. What is expenses?
Expenses of department wise.
Okay. See, you can create a one calculation view also. Suppose I am creating a one calculation view in another schema with pick calculation view. This is a calculation view 3. Here I want to use tables from another schema. It is another schema.
Oh
We
yeah.
can choose tables from another schema like employee table and employee master and department master, employee department, and we can join. We can oh, but in the employee table there is no department ID, so we cannot join both.
It is there, sir, I believe.
No, this is employee na. See, here is no
Okay.
department ID. So for
We can
joining the primary key and foreign key should be there. And what about the
in
expenses?
the expenses it is there.
Yes, expenses both. Yes, expenses as both. We can do one thing. We can add expenses also. We can add expenses also. Now we have employee expenses and department. Okay, we want to join all these tables. We just so the scenario is that is another scenario. It is scenario 3 is I want to join three tables like employee, department, and expenses. In this scenario, we should choose join firstly, and we should make a link with no oh we should add projection firstly, projection for employee table and projection for expenses, and projection for department.
Mm-hmm.
And now add to output. We can do one more thing. Here is the option add all to output. Just right click on it, add all to output. Add all to output. So we should create a link like projection with join, it is okay. Expenses with join, it is okay. But third one can't be joined. You can join two tables, maximum is two, not more than two.
Okay.
You can join maximum two. So first of all, you should create a link between employee ID and employee ID. Edit join. So where is the fact table? Where is the transaction table? I think so right hand side.
Yeah.
It is a left side is a master, right side is a transaction. Right is a transaction. We can join
Hello. Hello.
and because of transaction table, fact table, because it's a calculation view, so here is no fact table. So we just add add to output, add to output, add to output. Similarly, add to output, add to output, add to output.
I can't see your screen, sir.
Hmm?
Yeah, now I can see.
So yes, I will just hide it. Now you can see the full screen. I will just drag and drop here. Now you can see properly.
Your screen is. I can't
Okay.
see whatever you are doing over there because it's very slow.
Mm,
I can't see your
Now you
moving
can see properly.
because as you are moving the mouse, but I can't see your mouse is moving. I can see that your mouse is just.
So now you can see na?
Can you move your mouse?
Okay. Yes, I'm moving my mouse.
Yeah, but it's having a delay.
Yes, because of remote access na?
No, no, no. Before it was having good,
Yes, I'm
but now it is showing something different. That's the reason I just asked.
okay. Okay. So
Yeah, now I can. Now it's fine.
we will
Now it's fine.
we will see now.
So we had added the add to
Now
output
we have
operator.
joined
Yeah.
line and expenses, and for the department table, for department we can choose one more join. We can choose one more join. This join will connect with department and this join.
Mm-hmm.
And now you should make a link between department ID and department ID. So you can choose right side. Suppose if you are not sure for left outer or right outer.
Mm-hmm.
If you are not sure, then you should choose referential.
Okay, if I'm not sure which
If
is
you are
the
not sure,
conventional
you
one.
choose but you can choose referential.
I believe
But
this
it
time
will
it
be
is a right
good
outer.
if you choose, yes, right outer. Yes, correct, correct. And now add all to output. Add to output. Similarly, add to output. After that, create a link with aggregation. Select aggregation and add to output. Add to output. This is department expenses. Expenses, I think so. It, it's a measure. I think it's a measure. Add as aggregated column. Month, e-name, address, age, this, semantics, employee ID. You should choose attribute, attribute, attribute. All are attributes, only one measure.
Total employee. Total employee can be, it can be the measure here.
Hmm?
To-
Employee,
Total employee. Department total employee.
total employee. You can maintain as a measure, no problem. If you want, then you can maintain as a measure. If you want to create a measure, just click measure, save output, preview, raw data. So it's a complete join. That's it. So if you want to create a chart, you can create a chart like that. Department name and total employees. Which department has how many employees? Inventory have highest number of employees, maximum employees in inventory. Okay,
Mhm. So in this,
so
one more query that
this,
when will we because here are different type of graphs. So when will use which graph? What is the use? When to use this graph? Are you getting me? Can you explain me about the when to
yes,
use?
these graphs are, yes, these are using for end user view.
Yeah, I understand. But when I mean, there's some situations will be there. Yeah. So we need to use the pie graph or this bubble
Hmm,
graph or this tree graph.
hmm, yes,
So can you explain?
hmm,
Can you explain me
yes,
when
hmm,
to use in pie chart? Also, there is a lot of charts. Variety of charts are there in pie chart.
yes,
When
this is a pie chart. There are so many graphs. You can choose any one. It is according to your requirement, basically your order. Higher management will explain you. which graph he wants.
Hmm.
So you can choose graph according to instructions.
Because in the first graph you can
Selection
see,
of graph, it's
yeah, this one first graph.
yes.
You when you scroll down, it is having three different types of graph. Once you click in the black spot in the first graph,
Hmm.
yeah,
Yes, these are
vertical
all
stack,
type of graphs.
yeah, vertical stack line, dual line, multi-line surface, dot not,
Yes,
donut,
yes. Just yes, yes.
3D bar.
Just click any. Yes. So management will give you order. Will you give the order to create a graph? Management will explain you which graph he wants. So according to requirement, you should choose a graph. Okay. According to management, you should choose any graph.
Okay. So when to use the HTML, like it is there in a grid upside,
Yes. This,
chart, table,
this is
grid.
HTML view.
Okay.
Hmm. The benefit of HTML view is you can save as HTML.
So how to transfer to the management? If I created some report,
Hmm?
yeah. If I want to have a
Hmm.
table along with the graph, how can I make that?
Along with the graph, na,
Hmm.
you should
Table
use
plus graph.
you BO.
What?
You should use BO. Any
No,
you
in this
should
we
use
cannot do it.
any
In HANA
reporting
we cannot
tool.
do it.
You should use any reporting tool like BO, like Lumira, like that.
In the HANA we can't do it.
No, HANA is a modeling, not reporting.
So why they have given
HANA
the
is
graph
not
then?
reporting. It is a preview only, na?
Okay. So we can't send the data to the management.
It is a preview only.
So after creating this attribute and all these things, what will
We
do?
should use
What the after this? What will do that? After creating a calculation view or the attributes
we
or
should
the,
use reporting. We should use reporting tools.
that I understand. After creating a calculation view, a guy created a calculation view and all, then what he will do? He will just leave that in the HANA database and he will go away, sir. Or he need to have some other responsibility as well in the real scenarios.
Hmm. Yes. Hello, I am not getting you. What is your question?
I'm saying that after creating an analytical view or the calculation view, what is the further step?
Hmm.
What a modeler can
Hmm.
do in that? Because by creating a calculation view, there might be some other work
Modeler
as well.
job is over. No, modeler job is over.
So a guy just only need to
After
do.
clicking the view,
Uh-huh.
modeler job is over. Now, reporting person will design reports. and publish links and publish reports. That's it.
So modular work is only to,
Modular means using W or Hana, and publisher person can use Bax, View, or Lumira. This is. Now I will explain you one more scenario. This scenario is union. Union. Suppose we have product 1 and product 2 table. Product 1 table, product 2 table. We have 2 tables. We want to union it. Union. So you have a one table of product. So you have another product table.
yeah, in
You
V3,
have another product
V3, V3,
V3.
above V1,
V3
up,
where V
yeah, 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 down, you have gone through and you are again going back, sir. Below, more below, down.
it is.
No, that is Bijeta V3, V3.
This is V1.
Below that, you can check it out, sir.
Okay, V3.
You can
Okay,
check it out whether it is there or not. Maybe there.
here is. I will check the content. These are content of a product. Okay, so we will create a calculation view for joining of both products. I'm creating a new calculation view, and similarly we will add product product table and one more product table. This is, we added both product tables here. Both product tables are here. Now we can do uh, projections as well. Projection for one product table and projection for another product table, and add all to output. Similarly, projection to add all to output. So we can choose union here. Union. We will create a link with union. It will look like that. Source, target, source and target. Just drag and drop this PID, this PName and price. This PID you can union with this PID. It is a union. It is a PName. We just drag and drop here PName. This price is, it is very simple union. And this product description is available here, but it is not available in first table. If you want, you can drag and drop also. Now, just make a link between union and aggregation. Select aggregation and add to output. And semantics,
So all the things need to be add to output or aggregated also.
yes, aggregation is final output.
So in that we need to select according to the like product ID will be your add to output, and the other price will be aggregated output.
Hmm? Pardon?
In the aggregation, when we'll be adding to output, will be all the field will be directly select and add to output, or will be we are having two options: add to aggregate and add to output. So we'll be selecting
Yes.
price will be add to output, or is it
When I click, yes, I select price, add as aggregated column.
okay?
So it is like that.
Depending upon the key figure and the characteristics, measures and the
Yes.
okay,
Yes. Measures are key figures.
okay.
Just save and activate.
So why you have selected only P? Okay, why you have selected only P, sir? PID as a key. Okay, okay. So
Key.
primary
Choose,
key. Yeah.
choose anyone is key
Sorry.
and choose any column is a key.
Okay.
Just use union. See, it is a union. See,
Okay.
PID, PName in under the one column. See, P description. It is available in one table,
Mm-hmm.
but it is not available in another table.
Yeah.
So it is a union.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah. So what is the difference, sir, in the
Hmm.
union and
Now,
join? In join we are joining two tables. In union we are combining two tables.
hmm, in the join, see, in join is like that. Joining of rows, joining of rows. But in the union, joining of
Columns.
column,
Okay.
joining of column.
So how to rearrange this product ID? Hello. Hello. Hello.
So, so idea is clear. See
Yeah.
what is calculation view?
Yes. Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Fine. So when will be the next class? Today evening?
Uh, I will give you. So you have some time right now.
Right now, sir, I have to leave, sir. So that's the reason I can get
Okay.
back to you after half an hour if you say.
No, and I will busy in my office work.
Then we can continue the
So
evening, sir. Your evening.
tomorrow, uh, No, evening will not be possible. Tomorrow morning we can do class.
Tomorrow
Tomorrow
morning,
morning, it's up to you when you want to start class. It's up to you. Like
8 o'clock,
7:30 or
your
8
8 o'clock,
o'clock.
after 8 o'clock, your 8 o'clock.